Hi, friends. Like I said in the morning message this morning, we are going to be doing the Unit 5 assessment for math. There are 2 pages that you need. You need pages 381, 382, 383, and 384. Since you have 2 pages, we'll be doing the front side and the back side, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 4 pages of math at once can get to be a lot. If you ever need to take a break, just push the pause on the video, put your pencil down, give yourself a little bit of a finger break and a brain break, and then come back and push play and start again. When we're all done with all of your math, I'm going to need you to take pictures of each side of all 4 pages and send it to me in Seesaw. The very first thing that I need you to do, though, so that I know which page is yours, is please put your name up on the top with a pencil. I am going to put Mrs. Tierney. Trying to do my very best of writing right on the lines and have my Y fall below the line. Very good. Friends, problems 1, 2, and 3 are all of the same. I'm going to give you directions on how to finish all 3. When I'm done giving the directions, hit pause, finish your work, and then push play when you're ready to hear how to do problem number 4. So friends, number 1, 2, and 3, we have the sum right here, the answer, 16, 17, 18, equals, and they all start with 10. So each row has a 10 group. They want you to figure out how many extra ones do you need to add so that you can add the ones plus 10 to equal 16. So here we have 10 plus. How many more do I need to get to 16? Like you see the example here, you should do circles in each box to represent the ones. So how many ones do you need to add to 10 to get to 16? How many ones will you add to 10 to get to 17? How many ones will you add to 10 to get to 18? Go ahead, do your best work, and recheck how many ones you've added before you consider yourself to be done. Don't forget also to write the answer on the line and to check your numbers when you're done to make sure they're facing the right direction. Go ahead and push pause and begin. Okay, welcome back, friends. Problem number 4 says ring the 10 ones. Write the 10 ones and more ones in each equation. So here's our equation. So step 1, ring the 10 ones. Draw a circle around the group of 10. Then write the 10 ones on the line. Next one, count how many extra ones you have and write that on this line. Add them together, and how many do you have all together? Go ahead and do your work and push pause. Welcome back, friends. Here you need to write the number that this illustration represents. Now think back when you did your worksheet, those lines count for how much. Write down how many tens and how many ones you have. Go ahead, check your numbers when you're done, push play when you are ready to start again. Okay, friends, we are going to turn our paper over so that we are at problem number 6. Now, this is a problem I want you to think of before you begin. Listen carefully. Draw a rectangle with an area of 9 square inches. Here's your key word. Draw a rectangle with an area of 9 square inches. So, what's your job to do is whichever rectangle you want to form, you will do the outline of the squares within that circle, and then you can color it in. You can do a pencil or you can use a crayon. So draw a rectangle with an area of 9 square inches. Before you push play again, make sure that you have counted to make sure that it's 9 square inches. Okay, push pause and begin. Welcome back, friends. Number 7. Choose the symbol to show equal or not equal. Count the dots and look at the number. Do these dots equal the number or do they not equal the number? Circle the one that is correct. Count the green circles and count the fingers. Are they equal or not equal to each other? Circle the correct symbol. Okay, push pause and begin. Welcome back, friends. You are already on your next paper. We're on page 383, number 8. Listen to the directions. Write the numbers and compare them. Write G for greater and L for less. Cross out to make the groups equal. So let's start with step number 1. Count the ovals and write the number. Count the ovals and write the number. Now look at the two numbers. Which number is greater? Write a G for the number that is greater on this line. And write an L for which number is less on this line, whichever one is less. Last direction, cross out to make the groups equal. So whichever group has extras, you will need to put an X on top of the blue ovals to make the groups equal. Push pause and finish your work. Okay, welcome back, friends. We're on to number 9, tiny tumblers. Draw tiny tumblers on the math mountain and write the partners. Complete the equation. So, our answer will be 10. Count how many tiny tumblers are on this side and write the number. How many more tiny tumblers do you need to draw on this side so that these two equal 10? Draw the tiny tumblers, write the number. Carry those numbers down to these boxes. So it'll say plus equals 10. You will use the numbers from your tumblers. Push pause and begin. Okay, welcome back. Number 10. Count the coins and write the number. Friends, this does not mean 3 coins. Think about how much this coin is worth, plus this coin, plus this coin. Think about how much each coin is worth. Add them together, write the number. Push pause so you can stop to think about it. Welcome back for number 11, 12, and 13. Friends, these are number tiles here. We know that we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You are going to solve the subtraction or the addition problem and write the number here. These numbers are just here so that you can see the correct way of forming them. So solve this equation, write the number. Solve this equation, write the number. Solve this equation and write the number. When you're done, check your numbers to make sure they match one of these. And turn your paper over when you're done. Go ahead and push pause and begin. All right. Welcome back to the very last page, 384. My goodness, that's a big number. You only have 3 more questions. You're doing great so far. Here we have a stapler and a paper clip. Circle the heavier object. Ring the heavier object. Number 16, listen carefully first. Draw a short baseball bat and a long baseball bat. Ring the longer bat. Now, friends, don't worry if these baseball bats are not perfect. As long as you know that they're a baseball bat and I know they're a baseball bat, that's all that matters. So you're drawing 2 baseball bats. They can go sideways or they can go straight up and down. But you need a long one and a short one. When you're done, ring the longer bat. Go ahead and push pause and begin. All right, welcome back for question number 16, the very last one. Friends, this says draw to solve. So you need to draw this equation out. Remember, drawing can mean just using circles or X's for the items that are in the story. Okay, here it is. There are 5 birds in the field. Then 2 more birds come to the field. How many birds are there now? So you have 3 jobs. You're going to draw the birds, count how many there are altogether, and write the answer. Plus, write the equation that your picture shows. Here's the story one more time. There are 5 birds in the field. Then 2 more birds come to the field. How many birds are there now? Here's where your answer will go. When you get done, write the equation here. Great job, my friends. You have just finished the Unit 5 assessment, and I'm sure it turned out great. Please take a picture of all 4 sides and send it to me in Seesaw. You will find a Seesaw link in Seesaw today where you can do that.